Polkadot has undoubtedly become one of the more popular projects in the cryptocurrency field. However, one of the most innovative aspects of its ecosystem is Kusama, Polkadot's canary network. So, what is Kusama KSM, and how does it work? To learn all about KSM, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Kusama is, so be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. The blockchain industry is ever growing, with new and better developments being launched daily. This naturally results in a need for innovations that improve the performance of existing blockchain projects. It's necessary to evaluate these innovations regularly to tackle potential weaknesses and vulnerabilities that may undermine the efficiency of a project. This is the main goal that Kusama sets out to achieve, to ensure that all project improvements are fit for the mainnet. Kusama, native token KSM, is a public pre-production environment for Polkadot that runs on an early unaudited release of the Polkadot blockchain. Kusama functions as a sandbox that allows developers to test early versions of Polkadot projects in a live, realistic environment. Since Kusama acts as a canary network, it's a crucial component of the DOT ecosystem and allows for major updates and code releases to be thoroughly tested and vetted before being released to the public on Polkadot. The network's native cryptocurrency KSM is not an ERC20 token, as Kusama uses its own blockchain technology to manage the network. Kusama has its own token for several reasons: to be used for governance of the network, to be staked for the operation of the network, to be bonded to connect a chain to Kusama as a parachain, and to serve as a utility token for users of the network. The KSM token is the native cryptocurrency of the Kusama network, just as DOT is the native token of the Polkadot network. The initial distribution of this token respects the same DOT token distribution. Essentially, this means that if you've participated in the DOT ICO, you'll have access to the same number of KSM tokens that you purchased in the DOT ICO. This encourages token holders to use the Kusama network and help the team in its development. The KSM coin is a governance token that manages protocol updates and patches and pays fees through parachains. Validators stake their KSM to ensure network security and earn inflation rewards, while nominators can use their KSM to support certain validators and receive a share of the rewards. In addition, the KSM cryptocurrency can be used for linking to support new parachains. Kusama calls itself the canary network of Polkadot. So, what is a canary? It is a bird that coal miners use to check if it was safe to enter the coal mines. Kusama works quite similarly for Polkadot. As we know that Polkadot is becoming quite popular among blockchain developers, so Kusama is a perfect option for them to test their applications before launching them on Polkadot. With the Kusama network, any new projects can test their governance system and check if the technicalities involved work as per expectations. Once the project launches on Kusama network, its community members also can vote on proposals in line with how democracy works. The second thing that a new project or decentralized application can do on Kusama network is to check if the validator setup of their network works perfectly or not. If developers feel that something is lacking in how the validator setup works, they can make changes accordingly. Making changes will help hone the validator setup and make it better. The barriers for staking on the Kusama network are lower than that of Polkadot. Hence, Kusama network is very suitable for testing staking mechanisms before deploying the full-scale project on Polkadot. Another benefit of testing validator setup on Kusama network is 1000 Validators program. Using this program, the community validators can raise the ranks within the network. As a platform that offers developers to test out projects and make improvements on the go, Kusama network is attracting many developers to its ecosystem. With more and more developers testing their projects on Kusama, the platform is improving day in, day out. Thus, if you are testing out your project on Kusama network, you too are becoming a part of something revolutionary. As we said in the beginning, the Kusama blockchain has two similar components like Polkadot, relay chain, and parachains. Thus, developers testing out their project on Kusama network will be able to test out the parachains even before they launch their project on Polkadot. The successful ICO of Kusama floated in 2019 October was met with roaring success, and it raised more than $140 million, selling over 10 million KSM supply. While during the launch, the price of Kusama was trading around at $1.50. The trader's purchase trend brought it to a level of $62 by the end of 2020. One of the most important steps is to analyze KSM's past price performance. Shortly after KSM made its appearance on the exchange, its first big surge came. Around April and May, its price rose from $2 to $7, a considerable jump that reflected a huge amount of early investors' interest in the cryptocurrency market analysis. Between October and December 2020, its price leaped up from $27 to $62. Surprisingly, since the beginning of this year, the price of the Kusama coin has exhibited a drastic change, fluctuating at $623. Hence, the price of Kusama gained investor confidence, and the coin saw a great surge in momentum. In the last month, Kusama registered its new all-time high of $623. However, after hitting an ATH, the KSM token faced a significant price drop to $262. At the time this video is uploaded, the price of Kusama today is $281.63, with a 24-hour trading volume of $74,408,158. The current coin market cap ranking is number 58, with a live market cap of $2,385,449,620. It has a circulating supply of 8,470,098 KSM coins, and the max supply is not available. The year 2020 might have seen the Kusama price hovering around the $60 mark. It is not less than great news. What began with $1 ended with the $60 mark. It has boosted the sentiment phenomenon drastically. Since then, the crypto projections and predictions have started hovering towards optimism rather than pessimism. The KSM price prediction for this whole year remains quite encouraging, stating that KSM price might trade around the $550 mark. Keeping up in tandem with the same bullish price trend, there are predictions that the KSM price is poised for an upswing even in 2022. Keeping in perspective the series of sequential peaks and troughs, the Kusama price only indicates a positive trend among the receding pandemic scenario touching the $640 mark. Judging how good a project is should be dependent on two factors. The first is how valuable is the product that it offers, and how good the project is at providing the said services. In Kusama's case, the network has several advantages in the market. These advantages are the main reason behind its adoption and the boost in the price of its tokens. For instance, Kusama allows traders to develop new ideas on developing projects and test them well before they are opened up to a larger audience. With the final listing on the Polkadot blockchain, developers would provide seamless and great service to users. In terms of how good the native token of the platform is, it is noteworthy that it has recorded a rise of 1,124% from August 2020 to September 2021. During this period, the token went from $30 to a massive price of $386. Although its price has seen a further decline, the token is still trading up in the market. Kusama looks like an inevitable platform in the decentralized finance sector, but it was also built to satisfy the Web3 community. This is down to developers' need for the platform to test their products before the official launch. Another mind-blowing innovation is that Kusama works outside Polkadot but supports the network. The bottom line is, the Kusama network is very good. Its native KSM token is an excellent investment with potential for the future. However, traders should note that the native token is volatile and reacts to market movements like other digital assets. Also, traders should not hesitate to research should they invest in the token. With this, they would determine if the project is worth their money. They can also, through their research, find other meaningful or harmful details about the project. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Kusama token? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching, we hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.